Hello! I just bought the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Really look forward to flying this thing. It will replace my DJI Mini 2. It comes with the Pro remote control. And of course, I also bought the Fly More kit. Just so everyone knows, I just bought them myself. I paid for it. It's not sponsored or anything. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Let's go. So first let us remove the plastic, brand new. Remove that. Let's see what's inside. How do we open this box without ruining it? See a plastic here. You can just cut it. So you can see here that it has a QR code for some more information about the DJI Fly app, the video tutorials and user manual. Here he is. It's very, very light. I think it's about the same, or exactly the same as the Mini 2. It's very light. And what else is in the box? You can see here, it's the remote control. Later on I'll compare it to the RC Pro because I have that as well. At first sight, it's a lot lighter. The RC Pro is definitely heavier. So I think this fits better with the lightweight Mini 3. And of course, like with the other remotes, you have these in the back. Looks good. Just going to check if we unfold it. How do we unfold it? Or how? I think these ones go first on the bottom, and the top ones. There's already a battery, I think, in the drone. It's a bit different than the other drones, so. I have to check out how that works. Charge before activating. Yes. So okay, yeah. So indeed, this is the battery. You have to push at the sides, and then I think it's just the first time it's a bit difficult to get out, but once you do, it's quite easy. So first I have to charge it. Of course have to remove all these stickers from the gimbal. I'll do that now. There. I hate it actually. And then this one at the bottom. Remove before use, just to protect it. Just have to charge it and then we're good to go. See if it's easy to fit back on. Since it's new for me as well, it's a bit tricky. Okay, how does that work? Guess it gets easier after a while. It does fit, so you have to see that these at the bottom go in the holes, and then it sticks. Okay, so that's that for the Mini and the remote. Actually, there's still one more thing that I found in the box. It's this one. and it comes with some extra propellers, charging cable, and seems like a screwdriver. I have absolutely no idea at the moment what it's for, and a whole lot of manuals, a quick start guide, some safety guidelines. Share the skies. It's a bit of a very brief update on the basic rules about flying. Don't fly higher than 120 meters. Keep your drone inside at all times. The basic rules everyone needs to follow. Same thing here. Know your drone. It's all about keeping safe. This one's in Chinese. I guess that's not useful for many people in Europe. And some other information in Chinese. And then French, I guess. Yes. This is in French. So that's about it. That's all you need, unless there's something more at the bottom. Nope, there isn't. So, all ready to fly. Of course, I also have the Fly More kit. The bag I don't really need because I already have plenty of them because of my previous drones. But anyway, you need the batteries, that's mainly what it's for. Here's the bag, and I presume everything is in it, it's just here. It's exactly the same as with the previous models. And then here you go. You have the battery charger. Two batteries. It's just amazing how ultra light these batteries are. Of course, they have to be for the drone to stay under the 250 grams, but still amazing how they achieve it time after time. And then we have this. I think it's a cable. No, it's just a manual. So that will go back in the box and not be used ever. I think we have some spare parts as well. Yes, we do. You have the charging cable, and then of course the spare propellers. Never ever had to use one of these spare propellers, but I guess they can come in handy once you hit something or during traveling it get broken, but it's good to have. And that's about it. That's all we need.